An unexpected decrease in US oil inventories 2 weeks ago triggered a prolonged bull run. Meanwhile, OPEC Plus' decision to cut outputs caused a flat trend in the market. Therefore, we should pay close attention to the crude oil stock change data, which is set to be delivered today. If stocks of crude oil drop, prices may hit toward the mark of $90 per barrel. Meanwhile, if stocks rise, prices are likely to fall to $80 per barrel. So far, Brent futures have been hovering in a narrow range between $84 and $86 per barrel for about a week, and this may indicate an accumulation phase with a subsequent reversal. A breakout through support or resistance will show where the price goes next. Gold is again trying to break the barrier of $2,000 per ounce. In effect, this attempt takes place amid an empty macroeconomic calendar, whereas the three previous attempts were accompanied by quite significant events and data. Therefore, gold will unlikely break the barrier today. Maybe the situation will change tomorrow, after the publication of the US inflation. The Russian ruble is trying to stabilize near the mark of 81 rubles against the US dollar, and the Bank of Russia and the Ministry of Finance have not commented on the noticeable weakening of the national currency so far. Over the past year, the ruble has repeatedly traded sideways, and this situation will unlikely change anytime soon. However, there is still a possibility that the regulator or the Minfin will make an announcement which will determine a trend in the market. Technically, USD rupee recovered by over 50% over the recent pullback, which illustrates a bullish bias. If the price rises above 82 and 50, the sideways trend may resume, which in turn will become the first sign of increasing buying volumes. Meanwhile, a bearish correction may cause a rise in selling volumes of quotes a drop below the low of 81. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.